BMX Rider 915 and this is an updated bike check. At the front I got the Fly Reuben tire, that's my dog Max, getting in the way. Got the Odyssey Hazard Light rims, Ozzy Hazard Light rim in the front, G Sport hub with the Volcano bolts, Odyssey Director fork, profile push stem, push stem with the S&M holder bars, which are sweet. I got the ODI long neck grips, Dytech 77 lever, got the stolen satellite gyro on there with some Odyssey cables, down to some Fly Reuben brakes with Odyssey brake pads. Got the Sputnik Skyline frame, I love it. It's pretty good besides the little lower standover height, but I'm gonna get a new one soon. Profile spline drive sprocket, profile crank, Fly Reuben metal pedals, new chain because I broke my half link. Got the KG stern hub with the 7K rim, and got the Seth Kimbrough seat, kind of wearing out the internals, so I'm going to have to get a new one soon, and yeah, that's it.